What you doing? Hi guys, today I will show you something special that my teeth is almost out. Like flying teeth. That's intelligent. We're gonna try every myth in this teeth. I'm going to sleep. Is what? No. Suck that. Suck like that. What happens? The first myth is when you sleep, there's a big tooth fairy. Is a boy. So I'm gonna try to sleep, and if he do, and good night, guys. Where's that teeth? Oh, is that my tooth fairy, brother? That's kind of close. What? The next myth is doing this. We're not done. There. Bye, fairy. Huh? The fairy's gone. That's my fairy brother. What the heck is this? It's like he. Look me how I fly. I can't believe I can fly. Look me how I'll fly. She was a fairy. The backflip ako. The next is doing this thing. Or someone bought you and take off your teeth. I'm watching you as I see your teeth and the next myth is my sister's gonna tulak me. Go. Okay. Hawakan mo. It came out! My tooth came out! Liar. Matang spiky. You need to save more your teeth. His teeth is hauling out. Mine is here. Mine is spiky. And this one's kind of spiky too. This one. Like a vampire, but down. Ilaw daw sa banyo ka ng Daddy! Very Austin!
Ubus na yung ipin mo!
Haha!
Apo mo na yan! Ako na subok ko. What's the point?
I'm a Joe. Man, I love the park. Ate, Sabi ko balik mo dyan, di ba? Ito, babalik mo dito. Wag mo. Ganun. Tabi mo yan. Susuntukin kita. Isa. Malis ka dyan. I'm back, guys. And guess what? Gagli. Remember, kids, would backflip when your teeth is almost out. Don't forget to toothbrush. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always watch my video. Peace out. Did you watch until the end? You want to see me backflip? Goodbye.